Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys tips and tricks video. This week we're going to go over the period end process, which is used for moving all the financial transactions from MISys into our accounting system, whether it's QuickBooks, Sage, or any other accounting system. For this, we can go to our accounting menu, select period end function, and you'll notice there is a few sections here. So we need to understand fully what each of these mean. The journal entries section is giving us a date, and if we use that correctly, then our postings will only be done for that specific period of time, meaning we will only push to the accounting system the financial transactions that have occurred between the identified dates. So what is that? Well, we need to untick the check for prior journal entries, untick that box, and then select your range, and then hit post. And only those journal entries, only those financial transactions within that identified time period will be posted to your accounting system. If you actually tick this box, everything before your from date will also get posted on your accounting system. So let's take a look. Let's do detail by date and print unposted. Print unposted does not really consider the dates here. It just everything in MISys that has not been posted. So if you noticed, my date on top was 7/29 to 7/29 of this year, which is today's date, but it gave me transactions from 7/5 when I clicked print unposted. This is everything in the system that has not yet been posted. Transactions from 7/5, July 5, and transactions from today, July 29. So now that I know what is in MISys that has not yet been pushed over, and I only want to push today's, or maybe, yeah, just today's entries. So I want to skip that 7/5 date and select the 12th and uncheck this. And now when I post it, it connects to QuickBooks for the posting in this case. It asks me if I want to do a backup. You can definitely do a backup. I will not do it. And then it is posting the entries into our accounting system. Upon posting, we receive a confirmation message, post completed as journal number, whatever the journal number might be in your case. Now, when I select summary by date and print unposted, you'll notice the 7/5, July 5 entries still remain unposted because I had actually uh, kept them out of my from date and unticked this box. So when we want to use a specific period of time and only post those entries, we need to untick this and post that. Print unposted shows us everything that has not yet been posted. And if I select print last posted, in this case, it'll show me those three entries from today's date that I just recently posted. Okay, then let's look at print unposted again. So right now, 7/5 entries are not posted. What if I select now the same date, but this time tick this box? So if it was just the dates, you would expect the 7/5 entries to be ignored again. But remember, this time I have the box ticked. And I post. I'm going to decline the backup. And I have my confirmation as the next number. I hit OK. Let's look at print last posted. You'll notice that even though the date was not within my range of from date of 7/12, because I have checked the option for prior journal entries being included, the 7/5 date has been included. So from becomes an invalid part. As we check this, it will put everything before the to date and post it all. So this is how really it works. And When we want to see a print layout, as you know, you have the different options between having it detail by account, detail by date, or summary of the two. The take inventory snapshot is something that takes a snapshot of your inventory at the moment you're doing period end, and it stores it as a file. And this starts taking up a lot of memory in your system. If you're not using these snapshots, I recommend unticking that box so it will not show up. And if you have been with that box ticked on for many years, this is something you might want to actually go and purge in your system. And you can do that by going to the stock control, stock movement, and purge. And you can identify the dates uh, for the stock snapshots that you want to delete from your system. And this way you will be able to get a little bit more memory to yourself. I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively.